AI is killing SEO, and it's not even fair. If you're an SEO or your business relies on Google for traffic, then you've got your feet stuck in the sand and the tide is rapidly coming in. A lot of SEO content sites are about to get completely wrecked by Google. Just try Googling any question versus just using Grok. The answer you get with Grok is basically 10 times better, more concise, and clearer. If you're a local business, you've probably got a little bit longer. But SEO sites in general that are there to answer questions are going to get left in the dust. Grok is just way better at answering any question. It's just much more helpful than Google. So if you're an SEO, it's time to realize that the ship is sinking. So instead of letting AI eat your lunch, it makes sense to ride this wave instead. Right now is the best time to pivot to a business model that uses AI to make the product better. I basically made my first million with SEO, but I'll make my next 10 with AI. Here's just a very quick example. You run an SEO content site talking about nutrition, let's say, but you realize AI is coming, so you pivot to make use of AI in your business model. Instead, you use AI to calculate the calorie content of your food based on just a picture. So instead of having to manually log each meal, you snap a quick picture and the AI calculates the calorie content for you automatically. This is basically exactly what CALAI did, and their business now makes $500,000 a month. So if you're worried that AI is coming for your job or your business, now is the time to pivot to riding this wave rather than drowning in it. And that's what our community is doing over at The New Rich.